Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we look at our favorite hero, the Wolverine. Let's go! Okay, so we have here from Marvel Legends series, Wolverine. And you can see it's not mint in sealed box. It's actually one half of the two-pack. Okay, and the two-pack here contains Lilandra from the X-Men universe as well. Okay, in celebration of 50 years, we have here Wolverine and Lilandra Neramani 2-pack. And for this video, we're gonna look at Wolverine, not just any Wolverine, but Broodverine. Because this one is Wolverine that has been, I'm not so sure of the story, but the Brood has always been one of the main villains of X-Men. Okay, they're a parasitic breed of aliens, and I guess in this case Wolverine has been infected.
Before we get any further from the video unboxing, let's look at this particular Wolverine. Okay, after all, this is a Heroclix channel. We have to show a Heroclix figure. And this one is, if I can open it, a limited edition of Wolverine. Okay, so we have this same sculpt in the Deadpool Weapon X set, but this one, as you can see, is named Wolverine, but with set number MVP-207. Actually, it partners with a Deadpool that is MVP-206. Okay, but we're not gonna look at Deadpool. Our focus is the Wolverine. Okay, and you can see he has the X-Men team ability, Alpha Flight keywords, X Weapon X, X Force, X-Men, Animal, and Brute keywords. All good keywords, especially the Brute, because that grants him equipment for free, and of course some protection if you use Titania and Diesel. Okay, he has a special attack power, claws that cut anything. Okay, because it's made of adamantium, blades, claws, fangs. When Wolverine makes a close attack, opposing characters can positively modify their defense, which is really strong, because again, you don't need Mern, you don't need any other character to do that. Wolverine just cuts through the base defense power in that sense. Okay, he has improved movement characters, which is good. Then charge initially with that special attack power. Then towards the end of the dial, flurry, blades, claw, 12 attack is really powerful as well. James Howlett is from Deadpool and Wolverine number 2 2023. Okay, so that's why there is a Deadpool as well. Okay, so but for now we are going to go back to the Broodverine video.
Okay, so anyway, let's get into it. Okay. This has been sitting on my to unbox shelf for a long time. Okay, I've already unboxed Lilandra in previous videos from the channel, but the Wolverine just now, because I already have a lot of Wolverine on my shelf. Okay, but I thought, since we haven't looked at Wolverine figure for the longest time, then yeah, let's look at the Broodverine. Okay, it's a brown suit Wolverine, and the head is the unique part. Okay, the Brood with the gums and teeth. Okay, and of course the claws of Wolverine. Let's take a look at the joints. The joints are, yeah, it's tight. Okay, ooh, I like this joint. It goes all the way out. Okay, that's very dynamic for Wolverine. Okay, ha ha ha. And it also comes with alternate hands with the claws retracted. Okay, but we don't want that. Anytime you have a Wolverine, you want the claws to be popped out. Okay, and the claws in this are quite good. It's long and straight, and the other side, not. It's still straight, at least. Okay, so it's really good, and I just noticed it. The mouth is also articulated. I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Okay. So again, I'm not so sure of the storyline, whether Wolverine became a villain at one time because of being consumed by the Brood. Most likely that's the case. If you know, you can put it in the comments. I'll probably Google it after this video. Okay. Ooh, I like the articulation that you can do really with this figure. Okay, let's maximize it. Okay, yeah, I'm the wolf. I'm the Broodverine. Ha ha ha. Like and subscribe if you have not done so. For now, bye bye.